How's it going, guys? And welcome back to an episode of Like Me Easy. And today, guys, I got a special review coming at you. The Vogek over-ear headphones found on Amazon. These are only $15. Got them for an absolute steal of a price, and I'd recommend you guys go buy these in the description, linked below. These come with a HD microphone as well as stereo surround sound. Great drivers, and overall, great deal for the money. As you can see, it's got all those things on the box. Very simple packaging, and I'm gonna cut away and let you guys watch the rest of the unboxing, and I'll probably speed it up right now. And then after, I'll do a mic test and give you my overall thoughts on the headphones. Also, guys, leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new, and turn on those notifications if you guys want to see more awesome content like this in the future. And I'll see you guys then. Peace. Okay, guys, so I've now had a decent amount of time to actually get to know these headphones, listen to them extensively, use the microphone, and I'm going to be doing a microphone test as well in this video so you guys can hear the quality. This does say it comes with an HD microphone. I've been using this for Fortnite chat, and I think it's held up pretty well. There's no volume controls on the inline remote right here. It's just a simple button that you can use for play, pause, and stuff like that. Yeah, so really straightforward. It's like play, pause, reverse track, forward track, really basic stuff. You can't adjust the volume on here, which I do kind of have to take points off for. I do like headphones that have that feature. But guys, when discussing these headphones, it's all about price point. You can't sit here and be like, these are garbage, because they are only $15 on Amazon, and you have to lower your expectations for products that are at this price point. But what I think these do exceptionally well at is sound quality. Now, I'm going to be doing a review of these versus my Bose headphones, which are like over $350. Those are like insane noise canceling headphones. Great headphones all overall, but these ones, guys, for the price, are outstanding when it comes to sound quality. The clarity is superb, and the bass, especially the low end on these, is the main highlight feature here. The bass on these, I think, makes these sound 10 times better than they actually should be. I don't know what it is with the low end on these, but absolutely great for like gaming on these. Also, they do fold like this, if you're wondering. Low end really brings these up. It makes the sound sound 10 times better. So sound quality, if I were to give it a rating from 0 to 10, I'd give it a 7. Sound quality on here is really solid. I have no issues with it. Using it in-game on Fortnite has been great for hearing footsteps, and listening to music has been great for clarity and low-end bass, especially rap, hip-hop, songs like that have been great. So yeah, it does come with like a 3-meter cable. I don't have it that length just because I plug it in my controller over there, and I don't want the full length of I don't need it. So yeah, so that's that. It comes with like a metal end right here, which I like. This usually is the spot where it breaks on most headphones. As you can see, the 3 lines right here, signifying it is mic capable, and you can actually use this to record your voice. So the biggest drawback of these, obviously, is going to be build quality, right? $15 is simply not enough money to make these like really high-end feeling headphones. It's a lot of plastic and not a lot of metal. I don't know if there's any metal on here, but they do feel very plasticky. And I have to say, comfort-wise, they're not there. I do find over-ear headphones more comfortable than these. After I give it like over 2 hours, you start feeling these on your ears, just like the constant pressure of these. With over-ear headphones, it's better because you're not getting that constant pressure. It goes around your ear. But with these, since it's on-ear, that's just a drawback of on-ear headphones, in my opinion. I do like the feel of over-ear headphones, but the drawback to over-ear headphones is that they're heavy most of the time. Not all the time, but a lot of times over-ear headphones are really heavy. and those are going to hurt your head over a long period of time. It may sound better, maybe more comfortable in the ears, but it's going to weigh down your head, maybe hurt your neck or something after wearing it for so long. So I got these mainly just because I didn't want the bulk of an over-ear headset anymore. I just wanted something lightweight, put over my head, cheap, and so far these have been doing the job. Comfort scale of 1 to 10, 5. Gotta give it a 5. I can't really make it any higher because I don't know, it's just not there. I think they could improve a little on the ear cups. They're okay ear cups. I'd give like a 6 out of 10. They're pretty soft, but I don't think they're as soft as they need to be. Also, a little clanky, as you can see here. This hinge right here is kind of annoying, how it keeps bending. That's just a built-in feature that it has. You can do this and then tilt it up like here. This is just good for storage and stuff like that. If you want to store these away, they do get really compact like this, which is a plus. Let's talk about the headband on these. I mean, it's a headband, has decent support. I've had no issues with the headband on my head. A lot of headbands on headphones are like really thick. I don't like those because it can leave like a huge dent in your hair. But this is nice and thin, pretty well cushioned, no complaints there. It does also extend here. I think this is metal right here. I use it on the lowest setting. I don't have the biggest head, but you can extend it pretty far. That's like inch and a quarter in length. So yeah, now I'm gonna cut away and give you a sound quality test so you guys can know how the mic sounds on these, and I can also plug these into my headphones and just listen to some music and let you know what it sounds like. Okay guys, so this is a quick microphone test. This is all raw audio, and this is me speaking with the headset on with the mic in the location it's normally at on the wire. So you guys let me know how this sounds to you, if you think it's clear and whatnot. I think it's pretty clear. I think it'll get the job done for gaming and overall voice calls and stuff like that. So now, without further ado, let's hop right back into the full review. Okay guys, so I got this plugged in to my Samsung Galaxy S9. Thank you Samsung for actually including a headphone jack, because I actually still use wired headphones. That's a shot at Apple and Google for actually eliminating it. That's a whole nother story, but let's listen to some non-copyright music so I can actually put ads on this video. And I'm going to be just blasting it. I'll give you guys a variety. So yeah, as you guys can hear, great sound quality overall. I think the clarity's there, I think the bass is there, and I have really no complaints with these headphones when it comes to that stuff. So guys, I'm gonna be linking a link to these down below in the description. You can guys go pick these up off Amazon. If you're looking for a great headset to use on your Xbox One, PS4, laptop, video editing, anything like that, and you wanna don't want to break the bank, get these. 15 bucks on Amazon. You can't go wrong. The sound quality's there. The comfort might not be there, but who cares at this price point? I'm also going to be doing comparing these to my Bose headphones in the future. Also guys, go check out my second gaming channel, Gaming Made Easy, if you want to see me live stream some Fortnite content over there, because I know a lot of you like watching Fortnite. I may do Minecraft too for all those Minecraft fans. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and do all that good stuff. And leave me video suggestions down in the comments. Also, go check out my merch store, guys. Got brand new merch in the shop right now. Awesome designs right there. Also, go check out my capture card that I'm selling on Mercari right over there. If you guys want to go pick it up, only $67 right now. Absolute steal. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.